In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 of my favorite tips for making vinyl last on cups, mugs, or tumblers. For my first tip, make sure you're using good quality vinyl, and just as important, make sure it's permanent vinyl. This just makes a huge difference in how well your design sticks and how long it lasts. In this video, I'm using Tech Wrap Craft Vinyl. It's bubble-free, which I really love when applying to clear glass. This brand has tons of other adhesive vinyl options, and I found that it works really well and it lasts a long time. I also really like StarCraft Vinyl from 143 Vinyl or Oracal 651. Both are permanent and super reliable for long-term projects. If you're not sure whether the vinyl is permanent or removable, it usually says on the website when you're purchasing it. Just double check before you buy that it says permanent vinyl. For my second tip, before you apply your vinyl, it's really important to clean your surface, and the best way to do that is with rubbing alcohol. I'd recommend using 70%. Just spray directly on the area where your vinyl will go, then wipe it clean with a lint-free cloth or paper towel. This step helps remove any oils, dust, or residue that might be on the surface, even if it looks clean. Things like fingerprints or leftover soap can keep the vinyl from sticking properly, and over time that could lead to peeling or lifting, so don't skip this step. It helps your vinyl last way longer. I also recommend some type of spray bottle. It makes it so much easier. I bought those on Amazon. My third step when applying your vinyl, make sure it's completely flat and fully pressed down. This step is key to getting a clean, long-lasting finish. You can use a scraper or squeegee tool, or I like to just use my thumb to press the vinyl down. You want to make sure there are no air bubbles or lifted spots. If the vinyl isn't fully stuck down from the start, it's way more likely to start peeling later, especially after washing. Just take your time with this step. I like to go over the whole design a few times, pressing firmly to make sure every part is fully adhered before removing the transfer tape. I had the design centered a little too high when I pressed it. I could go back in and add a few more flowers around the bottom. For tip number 4, after you've applied your vinyl, it's super important to let it cure for 48 to 72 hours before using or washing your cup, mug, or tumbler. This gives the adhesive time to fully bond with the surface, which helps it last much longer. If you wash it too soon, especially with water or heat, it can weaken the bond and cause the vinyl to peel or lift. So be patient with it. I like to just set the item aside for a couple days to let it completely cure. My last tip is to always hand wash your cups. Even though your vinyl is permanent, the high heat and strong water pressure in a dishwasher can break down the adhesive over time, causing the vinyl to peel or fade. Plus, dishwashers can be rough on delicate designs. To keep your vinyl looking its best, gently wash your items by hand with mild soap and cool or lukewarm water. I avoid soaking it, and I don't use an abrasive sponge to clean it. It takes a little more effort, but I've had vinyl last for years on my cups. So you don't need to seal your vinyl at all, but I am curious about dishwasher safe Mod Podge as a sealant. It's supposed to help protect the vinyl for dishwasher use, but it has a long cure time, I believe 28 days. I haven't tried it yet, but if you want to see me test that out in a future video, let me know in the comments. Those are my 5 tips for making your vinyl last longer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my crafting videos, and I'll see you in the next one.